Is free tax preparation software available to file your U.S. income tax return? Considering how much most U.S. taxpayers are paying in federal income taxes, it will be nice to be cut a break and have free tax preparation software available to complete and file your federal income tax return. So, is there free tax preparation software available to U.S. taxpayers such that you aren't spending even more money in dealing with your taxes and all the money that the government is already looking to take away from you? Fortunately, the Internal Revenue Service has collaborated with a number of leading tax software companies to provide IRS Free File. IRS Free File was designed as a quick and easy way for U.S. taxpayers to prepare and file their federal income tax returns for free. IRS Free File allows qualified U.S. taxpayers to gain the benefit of free tax preparation, free electronic filing, and free direct deposit of their federal tax refund, if they're owed one, using guided tax preparation software available at IRS.gov. IRS Free File is available to U.S. taxpayers and families whose 2024 total adjusted gross income was $85,000 or less. A taxpayer's adjusted gross income includes wages, tips, business income, retirement income, and other forms of taxable income. Through a public-private partnership between the IRS and the Free File Alliance, tax preparation and filing software providers make their online products available to eligible taxpayers. Each income tax software provider sets its own eligibility rules based on age, state residency, and income, while IRS Free File will guide U.S. taxpayers through the process of choosing the appropriate tax software provider for their needs. Benefits of IRS Free File. Using IRS Free File can help taxpayers find and calculate valuable tax credits like the Earned Income Tax Credit, Child Tax Credit, and the Child Independent Care Credit. Any individual or married couple that meets the income limitation is potentially eligible, and IRS Free File can also handle complex tax returns. IRS Free File partner companies cannot disclose or use tax return information for purposes other than tax return preparation without the taxpayer's informed and voluntary consent. Taxpayers can use IRS Free File to file their taxes on any personal computer, tablet, or smartphone. All the tax software products are available in English, and one guided tax product is available in Spanish. Easy way to file an extension. Need more time to file? IRS Free File is one of the easiest ways to request an extension. A tax filing extension guarantees a taxpayer 6 additional months to file with an extended deadline of October 15th. Although an extension grants extra time to file, it does not grant taxpayers extra time to pay if they owe. Taxpayers are still obligated to pay taxes due on April 15, 2025 to avoid penalties and interest. Taxpayers who owe should either pay their full tax bill or at least pay what they can afford by the April 15th deadline. Other free tax filing options. In addition to IRS Free File, the IRS has identified other free tax preparation filing programs available to help U.S. taxpayers, including Free File Fillable Forms. All taxpayers, regardless of their income, can use the IRS's Free File Fillable Forms. These are the electronic versions of IRS paper forms and are best for people who are comfortable preparing their own taxes using IRS forms and instructions. Direct File. Taxpayers who lived and worked in one of 25 participating states for all of 2024 may use IRS Direct File to file federal tax returns online for free, directly and securely with the IRS. Go to IRS Direct File to find more information including eligibility requirements and updates to the list of tax situations added to IRS Direct File for the 2024 tax year. VITA and TCE. People who generally make $67,000 or less, persons with disabilities, limited English-speaking taxpayers, and those who are 60 years of age and older can also find free one-on-one tax preparation help around the nation through the Volunteer Income Tax Assistance, VITA, and Tax Counseling for the Elderly, TCE, programs. VITA TCE sites are operated by IRS partners and staffed by IRS certified volunteers who provide a trusted source for preparing tax returns. MIL Tax. Offered through the Department of Defense, MIL Tax is a free tax resource available to members of the military, as well as qualifying veterans and family members. It is a suite of tax services designed to address the realities of military life, including deployments, combat and training pay, housing and rentals, and multi-state filings. MIL Tax includes tax preparation and electronic filing software, personalized support from tax consultants, and current information about filing taxes. Eligible taxpayers can use MIL Tax to electronically file a federal tax return and up to 3 state returns for free. More information about IRS Free File is available at the Internal Revenue Service's website, IRS.gov. For more informative videos on tax matters and related topics, we welcome you to subscribe to our channel as well as liking this video. Thank you.